What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I achieve these twists. As you can see by the title, this is a Marley twist that I did about 20 minutes ago, and y'all, I am so in love with how it turned out. I love the color. Like, let me give you guys a close-up. I love the ombre. But yes, I'm feeling myself, as you can tell, so I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. So into the video. Hey you guys, so I already finished the back and I have about 4 more sections, and I'm just gonna show you how I did my twist. I have a mirror right here, by the way. So the hair that I'm using is Marley, and I got this off of Amazon. And this is the pack that it came in. I'm gonna open it so you guys can see. I ordered about 6 packs. So this is the hair, and it's dark at the top and a little light at the bottom, so it's ombre. And I ordered about 6. I ordered 6 packs, and right now I have 2.5 pack leave back. So I have 2 full ones of 2 of these and this, and this is enough for this section because I think I'm gonna make about 4. So in total you can say I use about 4 packs. So this is the hair. I really like how it looks. I love the color. So yeah, so the products that I'm using is this styling gel from Mael Organics. I'm using this one, and I'm also using the jam for some shine, and I'm also using hair butter. This is my own product. It's not out yet, but that is what I'm using. I need a crochet needle and comb and a scissors. I'm gonna section my hair into 2, and this I started yesterday, to be honest, but I started late and I wanted to film a little piece for you guys, and it was already dark. So I just decided to finish the rest today. Okay, so now that I have 2 sections, I think the back one could be a little bigger. Okay, so now that I made 2 sections, I'm gonna just put this one on the side so it doesn't get in the way. So I'm gonna split this section into 2. So just right down the middle. I add a little bit of the styling gel to the section. So I'm just gonna saturate this section with the gel, and then I add a little bit of the butter. Make sure it's nice and coated because I want my hair to be very moisturized under these braids. Then I'm gonna comb it out. So now I'm gonna make a braid, and you want to braid as tight as you can, especially at the roots, because you don't want your twist to go unravel. So just part your hair in 3. And you're gonna braid as tight as you can. And I like to braid a little below. I like to make my braids a little longer. just for more security. So I'm gonna braid. Okay, so I braid about this length. I think this length is good. As you can see, it's nice and tight at the root, and I braid about this length. So now what I'm gonna do is take my crochet needle, and you're gonna open it, slide it through the braid, yeah, and you're gonna take one strand of your Marley, and I like to twist it a little bit just so I have more grip, and I form like a little ball type thing, so like this. And you're gonna slide it. You have to feel sometimes where the opening of the hook is, and you're gonna slide it into the hook and close it and just pull through, go forward, close, and remove the hook. Okay, so now you're gonna just pull one side through the braid and hold in the other side, otherwise both ends are gonna come out. So, and then like this, and I make sure it's even. So I hold my hair and one of the Marley braid together, and I have one loose end, and I like to twist it first, then go around and come under, and then I will twist once again. Throughout the whole braid I will twist and braid, and I go under and about now. So I like to add a little bit of the gel just to smooth it down, make sure that my hair is tucked in to the braid. And I braid pretty tight because I don't want it to go unravel. So I'm gonna do that until I reach the end of the braid I made on my hair. So I think about now. So let me just do it one more time. Okay, so now what I like to do is separate my hair into half. Oh wait, I have to go over it one more time. Okay, so right now I would separate my hair into half. Sometimes I unravel my hair a little bit if the braid was a little too long. And I'm gonna split my hair in half. And connect it to each side. So, okay, so you will get about this, right? Then I like to add a little bit of the twisting jam, and I will just pass it through, and I continue braiding, continue twisting, and then braiding, twisting and braid. And now and then I'll add a little bit of the gel along with the jam just to make sure that my hair is tucked in and I don't have flyaways. And this is how I do it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so now that I got to the ends, I'm gonna twirl it and let it go. Let's see. Yes, and this is what you end up with. Now I'm gonna move on to the next section and repeat exactly the same thing. So once again, I add some gel along with some of my hair butter and make sure that I saturate the braid as tight as possible. Take my crochet needle, go through the braid. I'm going to take one strand of the Marley braid and pass it through the hook, close it, come out, okay, make sure that it's even. I'm going to start to twist and go over, braid, twist and go under and tightly twist and go over. Sorry, I said under, but I meant over. Add a little bit of gel to smooth down everything. After you braid until the end of the braid that you made, don't forget to split your natural hair in two and then continue twisting and braiding. So you guys, I am finally finished, and right now I'm going to trim the ends and just make them a little neater, because you can see they're just really hanging for dear life. So all the ends that doesn't look so cute, I'm just gonna trim. So the next step is to oil my scalp, and I'm using True Texture Hair Care Reviving Hair Oil, of course. And if you guys haven't checked out my website, the link will be down below, so you can get yourself oil. But yeah, I'm just gonna saturate my scalp because it's a little itchy and then very dry right now. So for my edges, I'm gonna use some mousse along with Eco Styler, these two, to slick down my edges. Now I'm gonna apply the same mousse all over my hair and tie it down with a scarf and let it set, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. So I'm back, y'all. I added a little bit of makeup so you can get the full look, and right now I'm going to unravel my hair and see what's going on under this scarf. Let's see. Ooh. So my edges got a little messed up, but yeah, so this is the look, you guys. I love it. Let me stand so you guys can see how long. So this is how long the twists are, and let me show you from the back. Hope y'all can see. This is the back. So yes, you guys, I'm feeling myself. As you can tell, my hands are all over and it's probably gonna be in my hair for the next few days, but whatever. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this hairdo. If you try it, comment down below. I would love to know how it turned out. And I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications so you know whenever I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram, links down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.